to Fix It Fridays, our weekly series where we resolve your queries with quick and easy tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to upload a 3D model and also how to send a request for the 3D model to be created for you. Let's start. To upload your own 3D model, we go to My Library on the left side of your screen. We click on Upload Model. You need to remember that the model needs to be in OBJ and FBX file format. Each file should not exceed 30 megabytes. And for importing SketchUp file, we recommend exporting SketchUp file to FBX and import it in Neo for a better result. Click on Upload Now, and now choose the object from your files. Give it a model title. Add it to Category. Choose if it goes on floor, ceiling or wall. And add dimensions. And click on Upload. You will find this uploaded product in your library catalog, and now you can drop it and use it. If you don't have access to any 3D models, you can send a request for a 3D model to be created for you. For that, you go to Catalog, you scroll down and click on My Models. Now click on New Request and upload an image of the product. Only PNG and JPEG file formats are allowed, and file size should not exceed 5 megabytes. Now we have to click the pointer on the product to mark it. We click on Proceed, we click on the product, and now we will enter model name and all the measurements. You can add description, and in comments you can add a link for a reference. You can add more images if you want to, and then we click on Done. Next, we click on Submit. You can see the credit information, and now again we click on Submit. You can see the progress on your product under My Requests, and when the product will be ready, you will find it under My Models. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Wire Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!